Welcome to today's video where we'll delve into the topic of hybrid work. Discover the types, benefits, and challenges while shaping the future of work. According to the Future of Work research made by Accenture, as much as 83% of professionals say they prefer a hybrid work model in which they can work remotely at least 25% of the time. Another study from the International Foundation of Employee Benefit Plans found that a majority of employees preferred hybrid work arrangements over fully remote or fully in-office models. There are various types of hybrid work models: office-centric, remote-first, flexible, and fixed. In an office-centric hybrid model, employees primarily work on-site. However, remote work is an option when needed. This fosters strong connections and engagement, but may limit talent acquisition. In a remote-first work model, employees work primarily off-site. The company invests in technology for remote work. This saves on office costs, but can lead to a sense of disconnection. Flexible hybrid setup allows employees to choose when they work in the office or remotely. It offers flexibility and autonomy. Similarly, a fixed hybrid work model offers flexibility, but with some guidelines on remote work. This can improve resource allocation and boost employee engagement, but it can be challenging to coordinate. Hybrid work models offer numerous benefits for both companies and employees, but the flexible or fixed approach, which is the most employee-centric one, seems to stand out as the most rewarding. Employee-centric hybrid schedules empower individuals to make decisions that align with their needs and preferences. This approach not only enhances work-life balance, but also reduces stress and boosts overall job satisfaction. Studies have shown that when employees have a say in their work schedule, their productivity tends to increase. They can choose the environment that suits them best for different tasks, resulting in improved work quality and efficiency. Employee-centric schedules enhance retention rates. When employees feel trusted and have autonomy over their work, they are more likely to stay with the company long-term. It also leads to better work-life balance. Individuals can align their work hours with personal commitments and family needs, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. However, implementing a hybrid work schedule is not without its challenges. One of the key challenges in a hybrid work model is the potential for collaboration difficulties between employees working remotely and those in the office. It's often unclear whether there will be available office space or parking for employees, creating logistical challenges and potential stress. Also, integrating employees, especially newcomers, into the company culture can be challenging. Fostering inclusion is essential for a harmonious work environment. Finally, the challenge of identifying who works remotely or on-site, along with office seating arrangements, can create obstacles in a hybrid work environment. To make managing hybrid work schedules easier, consider using an office management platform like DigitalHQ. It enhances work mode planning, office space and resource management, meeting coordination, and employee well-being. In DigitalHQ, every employee can plan and set their work schedule visible to others. When set as in office, the app automatically assigns a desk and parking spot, which can be later modified by the user. Using the office map, employees can easily locate colleagues. It also effectively addresses the challenge of recognizing coworkers, making it a breeze to identify or locate them. DigitalHQ facilitates collaboration by simplifying meeting scheduling. It enables participants to vote on suitable meeting times and automatically reserves appropriately sized meeting rooms based on the number of employees working in the office that day. The application also allows employees to browse and register for in-office events with visibility into who else is attending. This fosters relationship building and strengthens bonds among coworkers. An employee-centric approach, where individuals have a say in their work schedules, offers the most benefits. To implement it in your organization and avoid difficulties, you need the right tool. Visit our website to learn more about DigitalHQ, an office management platform made to simplify the hybrid work model.